तो मतलब पीछे वाले कोर्स में कुछ गए थे तुम लोग? देखा, कुछ भी समझ में आया? कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या?
नहीं मैं ऐसा पिछले सेशन में बस लास्ट सेशन को उससे पहले जो था उसको रिव्यू किया था एक बार। उस पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कुछ कुछ रहता बट मैंने नोट डाउन नहीं किया। वो अभी फिर से एक बार शुरू से रिवाइज करूंगा, तब अगर कुछ होगा
Okay.
तो मैं
At
बता
least
दूंगा।
you guys, what you do now, at least one day, whenever you get time, at least log into Salesforce. That's it. Log in. Once you log in now, you will automatically, you'll just explore. Yeah. Okay, so last time we were doing this classic search. So we saw a little bit of that search item. Let's start from there. So I'll share you the browser. You guys also log into your Salesforce.
Yes, we are logging.
Okay. All right. So let's go to home. So I hope you guys are here in Classic UI as we are learning the Classic interface. So the first thing, last time when which we were seeing is in the search, uh, this whatever items you will just modify or change, those items will get added into recent items. So you can see this is the invoice. Okay, this is one of the account. Okay, so these three invoices are there in this. This is getting, so this is being shown with this, you see this image, and so it is kind of media item. So these media items are being shown by this icon, and in front of the media icon you can see like these three. So if you will search with those will be coming like invoice. You will do, you see like it is showing like it is in the uh, most recent items. Okay, that is one thing. Also, yeah, like you see this account is coming into this section. Also there is this case which is coming into, so these all will be there, and if you'll search, those will be coming. Okay, from the recent item. Apart from this, if suppose you are searching something like this, Rajat, and if you'll click on the hit button, search button, you will come on the search result page. Okay, so this is the search result page. Okay, so you see once we landed, this is the first time when we are coming on the search result page from the classic interface. So it is saying find what you are looking for. So this search, how it works, you can just take a tour. Okay, I'm giving you the tour, but again, if you want to just watch this, like you see, it is saying, if you'll click, it's saying this is the search field. Okay, just so all, okay, so I will show you this one. So I'll do it, I'll just cancel it. So here you can see on the search result page, what we have is, you see, when I clicked Rajat, on the top, we are seeing this account, and the Rajat is also there in the contacts. Also, the Rajat is in the files, you see. So all three files which are being created from the Rajat, we got. Okay. Also, there is this users, whatever users Rajat belong to, that also you. So all the search result you got over here. Is there any question into this search result page?
So whatever these, I mean, whatever items you created, that is showing here, na? That is files, contacts, on accounts. I mean, sorry, file and accounts. Whatever you
Yes.
created last, I mean, last session.
So in your
Because
system, whatever things will be there which have name Rajat, okay?
okay,
With the search
okay, okay,
result, you will get everything. Like you see, there is
yeah,
this brand
got
image,
it.
okay? So if you will search brand, okay, if you will click with this,
No,
okay, so with this brand particularly, we are not finding anything, okay?
yeah, yeah,
Because there is nothing like this brand.
nothing
But you
related.
see,
Okay,
if you want to search it, if brand, if something starts with brand, okay, it's, you see, it's suggesting also to you. If something
Hmm.
starts with brand, if you want to search it, what you can do is you have to press star over here and then you have to click. Okay. So you see,
Okay.
we saw like there was this brand image, so you
brand
got it.
image.
So anything which is related to the keyword that will show up at the search button, whatever is there in the data system. I mean
Yes.
this
Yes. So
in the data.
you just need to know like how it is working. Like you see, anything starts, if you have to search like any item which starts with brand. So you
Hmm.
have to write brand and then you have to write asterisk and you have to click on the search. Then you will get all the items which starts with brand. Okay.
Brand name. Yeah.
Okay.
And suppose this is Singh Rajat. So star if you'll do all the item which starts with Rajat. Okay, you see or contains Rajat.
So this
Okay.
star mark is mandatory.
Not always. So if you'll not keep it and if you'll press search,
Mm.
you see here we got because it contains Rajat. Okay. So
Hmm.
what happens like it get indexed. So each, so like how the search works is, if this is the keyword, okay, so this Rajat will get indexed one like this, and this will get indexed uh, this like this. Okay. So these are two different indexes. But if you'll just say Raja, so if you'll just say Raja and if you'll click on search, you see. Okay, so I think it's in the account, so that's why it is being indexed
Yeah.
that way also.
Hmm.
But here, if you do brand, let's see if it is working like that or not. We'll do brand, okay, as it is in the name. You see, it is not able to search it. So we have to give it extra. So like this. And if we will search whole in brand image one, then definitely it will search. You see.
Hmm. Asterisk we put only like with that file name, all the files will come up with the name that name. So
Yeah.
that's
So if you'll search with R and you will keep asterisk. So whatever things will start with R. Oh, so it is R A suppose. You
that
see,
will come up. Yes.
everything will come.
Like in keyword search, Rahul, like we put Java
Yeah, exactly.
asterisk, then all
Mm-hmm.
the profiles will with the
Yeah,
name of
got it,
Java
got it.
will come up in the
Yeah,
same
same,
way.
same.
Yeah. Also, that was one thing. So it will just give you all the records, and these are, you see, pins. Okay, these pins. So suppose in your search result you don't want top results would be accounts. Okay. So what you can do is, suppose you want people as your, where is people? Yeah,
Mhm.
people as your
On top of
top
the
result. So
result.
what you can do, you can just click. Okay. So you see, it came on the top.
Mhm.
Okay. So it came on the top. So people you are seeing on the top, you see result. If you'll just see counts came pin to the top. If you'll pin to the top, account will come on the top. So likewise, Suppose if you want to
Okay, you
pin
can change
files
the
on the
place
top,
also.
so you see files came on the top. So this you can customize like this.
Mm-hmm.
You can follow along in your this one. Okay, then with the search we have, you see we have this option. So you see, like if you want to take also on the search result page, like suppose you want to take a help, like how this works. So what you can do is you can just click on this help for this page. So they have this guide they have attached on the every page. So if you'll click on that, you will get navigated to this page. You see how the search work. Refine search result in Salesforce Classic. Okay. So you can click on this and you can see. So you see it's saying like how pin works. Okay. How you can filter. Okay. What is the option? So if you'll see the options, if you'll click on this, you see you can check on this. Okay. Limit to the items you own. So I am owning everything over here, whatever, because I have only created. So if I will save it, I think everything, the same result should come. Yeah, you see, same result is coming. But
Mm-hmm.
there are cases like some files will be owned by someone else. So in that case, I'll not be getting those. We can check and suppose here like array, and if you want like exact phrase, so in that case, what will happen? Exact phrase it's saying, right? Just a minute. Actually, I have kept that. So if I do, you see, it's not finding anything with the exact phrase. Here, you see here when I kept exact phrase, it's not finding anything. Here, maybe in description somewhere, Raja or something is there. But if you'll just remove this exact phrase, you see they're all there are multiple you'll get. So this is the search result page, how it works. So mainly like how you can customize this is like this pins, whatever you will be using mostly. Like suppose if you are using if you have to you are searching always into the files. Mostly you will
Mm-hmm.
need files on the top. So you can pin the files on the top. Also suppose you are working on people's for a particular period. What you can do is you can just put people uh, on the pin and then you can start searching. All right, so this is what about the search. And okay, so this is about this record feed. So whatever records will be there in all these files, those will get searched. And then we have the search feeds. So this search feed is whenever we are clicking search button search, so it if you will click on this search feed, it will search into our chatter, whatever chat we will be doing, no, those it will search. So suppose A, B, C, S, if we are searching, you see it's not finding right now in the feeds. So, but if we will have some feed like this, you see I just added, and if I will search again, क्या हुआ भाई ऑप्शन में आना चाहिए सब try searching. Actually that is about chatter only. Why it's not coming? Yeah, it's coming. I think it takes some time to sync. Okay, so this is about the search. So you can just go through the search, and I think you will get familiar with this how this search exactly works. So this is nothing but auto suggestion. Let's see if it is working for this. So if we will click on this, you see that auto suggestion is not working, but But for the recent item, auto suggestion is always working. So if I'll click on Rajat, you see these are the recent items. So for them, auto suggestions works, but otherwise you just have to click and you can just go here and see. Okay, so that was about our search on the classic. Then let's see what else we have in today's session. Presenting my slide. Any question into this search?
No, this is clear.
Okay, so now we have classic. How we will customize classic UI. Right. Let's go back again onto our browser. Okay, so there are three. So like we saw, like in Lightning app, what we can do, like user can customize their own UI. Also, admin can customize their UI. Also, how you, so there are two things, like how user can customize and how admin can customize. So user can customize their own view. So suppose if we have to customize this views, let's start with this menu, this tab. Okay. So if we will have to customize these tabs, what we can do is, like, we can go into this Rajat, whatever profile you will have this name, and in that you will have to go to settings. So if you once you will come to this setting, you will have to come to display and layout, and then you'll have to click customize my tabs. So here you can choose, like, which app you have to customize. So here you see we have sales. So here what is selected, you see sales is selected. On this sales, you can see we have these many uh, objects, you can say, or items. Okay, on this sales, these many items are there. And if we have to customize these navigation, what we can do is we can just select, like, you
Yeah.
see these
Rajat
many
Bhaiya,
are
how
there.
did you landed on this page? Can you come once again?
So to land onto this page, you have to come to from your user menu. So this is your user, okay? And you
Yeah.
have to click on the user menu. And from the user menu, you have to click on the My Setting.
My settings.
So once you will land on the My Setting page, you will have this display and layout.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are learning like how we can just customize our display and layout. Okay, so in the display and layout, how we can customize our tabs. So these are the tabs. These tabs belongs to home tab is a common tab with all the applications. But along with the home tabs, these tabs, whatever are there, they belong to particular application. So which application we are landed on, we can see from here on the right side. So this is the sales application. In the sales application, we have these many menu items. Okay, so if we have to configure these tabs, what we can do is we can choose, like you can see it's landed on the custom app and it's sales only. And in the sales, we have these many available tabs. And these are the selected tabs which you can see. So on the top, you see it's saying by default we have. Okay. Then we have chatter. And likewise, we have, you see, here. If suppose we have to add, suppose into this, we have to add files. Okay. Let's add files. We can add files like this. Ideas we can add. We just have to click it And to add it, you can just click on this button. So here you see you have files and you have ideas.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can, what you can do is, suppose you want after home, you want your files. Okay. What you can do is just click on this and click on this up button. Okay. And it will land after home. You can save it. So suppose if you want ideas also on the top.
Okay, so where where we would like to put that, we need to click on that up button and it would be inserted there.
Yes. So just save it. You see, you got files and ideas over there. Okay. Let's go back again. Customize tab. If you have to remove, you can just click it and you can
Remove
just
from
click on the
whatever.
remove. You can remove the multiple tabs. So if you can, you have to want to remove me, just what I did is I just pressed control, clicked on files. Files is already selected. I clicked on ideas again, and you can click on the remove button. Okay. So you see these all got removed from there. Likewise, you can select 3, 4, 5 items, whatever you want to add. So suppose I just added these, and again, if I wanted, so these ideas I selected, again, I want to select what sellers. Okay. Then return items. So you have to keep pressing, you have to keep pressing the control and you have to click on those items. And then
Yeah.
you can just add it and it will just come through here.
So these, what you are doing, right? It would be, for that now, where we can show home, files, ideas, charter, campaign, leads, account. So this is for that thing, right?
Yes, like so these, so how you can customize your tabs. These are our
Yeah,
tabs, right?
customize. Yeah,
So these tabs we are customizing. We just want to, so if you will see in the sales app, so this is our application. So in the sales application, there could be multiple items. Okay. Not only these, not only chatter, leads, accounts, but there could be multiple. So what all item could be, these all, those are will be listed here in the available tabs. So suppose if you are working very frequently with the files, okay, and you want files to be sitting after home, what you can do, you can just come here, you can customize the files, you can just write, you can click on this and you can just add it. Okay. And it will sit over here.
set.
So what I did, I just kept the files, so here it will come in the last actually in this case, but you can just, of course, you can just keep wherever you want based on your user experience. All right. So you see when I click after this, when I'm trying to keep it up, it's saying the home tab cannot be removed and must be the first tab. So it is by default. Okay.
By default.
So that is one thing. So these tabs are one thing. Also, like you see available tabs, right? These tabs, like these tabs are available. Also, you can restrict a particular user. We will see later whenever we'll go along, like how you can, as an admin, how you can restrict what all items could be accessible by a particular user or particular user role. Okay, those we will see. Clear, right? For now,
Yeah.
like how you can customize this. All right.
Yes.
So this is how we are customizing it. So let me, what all file where files were there. So let me remove this and keep it saved. So again, we are the same UI. So there are different ways we can customize, but so suppose this is one of the way. So if you want to customize whenever you will go on my setting, this all display and UI, these from here you can click and you can customize. There is other way also, like from here. If suppose you came on home, okay, and you want to customize, you don't necessarily have to go to my settings and customize. So suppose like you are familiar and if you want to customize the tabs, you can just click on this and you see here these all, what you can see, like what all tabs are present. Okay, these all tabs are present. So if suppose if you want to customize it, you see right side we have this uh,
Mhm.
button. You'll just have to click on
Okay.
this, and you see again we just landed on the same
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 page.
same page, and you can customize
Oh,
likewise. Again, if suppose while doing this in the future you forgot like why how exactly we have to do, you can always take a help. Okay, so you can just click on this. You'll be landing here. You see it will land you on the exact thing like how you can customize your tabs in the Salesforce Classic. That is okay. That was regarding how we can customize the tabs. If you guys want to just check this, maybe you can
Yeah,
customize.
I did the previous one, how to customize. Can you get the second way of getting on the customized tabs? What was that? The first step you did?
Okay, so suppose we are on the home page. We landed on the home page, and from the home page, suppose we have to customize. The one way which we discussed is we have to go to user
Yes, go
menu
to user
and
menu
settings. Another
settings.
way is like we are on the home page, and these are our home is by default, and these are
Yeah.
our item. These are our tabs, item of tabs, and then we have to click on this button, all tabs. Okay,
Oh,
so once you will click on this, you will land on the all tabs. So whatever tabs is available for this application, you will land on that. Okay, so you see
customize
these
that.
many tabs are there. So here also you can see like ideas, files, which we were just selecting. So you want to add this ideas or files. What you have to do is you can click on this customize my tab
Customize my tab.
here, this button. Okay, yeah, here, and you can click on that, and you land on the same page. Clear, right?
yeah,
You guys
Mm.
just but whenever I'm just changing these, no, just do along with me. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
And
We are doing
Yes,
that.
we are doing
okay. So once you are done, let me know.
Yeah, it's done.
Done, right, Pradeep, for you also?
Yeah,
it. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. All right. Then we have customized my page navigate from setting. All right. Then we have customized my page. Okay. So this is my customize my tabs. So these tabs, how we can customize, then how you can customize my pages. So let's come to home. Okay, so this is the default application, but for the sales application if you'll come to leads suppose or accounts, so these items can be common but between so item this you see accounts can be common between different applications. Okay, like you see dashboard is common between sales and you see dashboard is common between sales and this, so these can be common between different this applications. So suppose we are in the sales, okay, and this is the chatter, okay, or let's say accounts. Okay, so how, so like these are the pages, so these we say like pages. Okay, so suppose if we have to customize this page, how we can do it. Okay, so to customize this particular page, we were landing from here like my setting, we were going to my setting, we were going to display and layout, and then there is this customize my page. In the customize my pages, suppose we can customize, you see home is there, right? We can customize home, Then we have accounts. This one accounts. We can customize accounts. So these are whatever pages are available, we can just customize. Okay. So let's say we have to customize accounts. Then we'll select that accounts and click on this. All right. So once you will click on the customize button, you just see you landed on the onto this, okay, onto this page. So on to accounts. Let's go to accounts. Okay. Yes, yes. Where is partners into this? Our recent accounts are there. Is there recent account contracts are there? Opportunity cases, attachment and partners.
So this is account related tabs which or items which we need to
Yeah.
customize.
So suppose if we just remove it, okay. Actually, that was, that is related to, so this is, you see, this is a page. So if you have to customize this page, like there is this recent accounts, okay. So you don't want to see this particular recent account. So that configuration we can do from here. So suppose create a new edit if we have to do. Why it's coming this one? Okay, just a minute. Actually, they are changing it very frequently. So if we come into this customize and to settings. Okay, suppose we have this accounts, customize page. Let's say we added the contacts. Okay, and we added the contacts on the top. Okay. So let's go again to customize accounts. Okay, contacts are on the top. So if we will come to contacts, it's again showing this one. It should not show this. Recently built. Just a minute. So suppose if we have to take the help, okay. Let's say we are customizing this page. Okay, so this is the navigation bar we saw and create shortcut to Salesforce pages. Okay, but customize your tabs in classic favorite consideration. Date your chat navigation bar, navigation consideration pages. But where is that? This is the navigation. This is not that. This is the pages there we are saying, right? Let's say sales. This is the page. Set up my default landing page. In this setup, we have what is that? Home. Let's say we want to change the home setup only. Please have your administrator number at least one dashboard for you. I'm logged in as administrator only. You are also getting this one only. So suppose if you are clicking on the home And if you are trying to customize this page, what you guys are getting?
I mean, we don't have. I mean, I can't see account section here.
No,
Account
account section
section?
is there.
It's
No, no,
showing only home
not this
chapter.
one. I'm saying, so you will be landing on the my setting page, okay?
Yeah, my settings. Yeah.
And in the
Customize page when I description is then
display
home.
and layout, customize my pages. You have to go here, and these are the pages which I'm saying, okay? So
Mhm.
suppose we
Yeah, it's
have
showing the same
reports.
page.
So when I'm clicking on customize page, it says customer, please have your administrator enable at least one dashboard to view. This is message from
For
the
the home, it's saying, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Actually, there is something I think related to permission. I see this one when we are trying to change our view of the home page, it is asking us to
Mm,
make the
yeah,
enable
yes.
setting, but account section, where is this account section? In the account, so in the account contact opportunity cases, open activity. So if you will come to this, right, you see we don't have that view. So in you see account section, home, accounts, what is happening? So suppose we are on the service and accounts. You see it's showing recent accounts and reports and then tools. And what here what it's saying is it's showing contact, opportunity, cases, open activities.
Yes.
So these are different, not this one. And I don't know why it is like that. I think I'll have to check it. I will check it and I will let you know guys tomorrow, okay? What is happening
Sure.
around this.
Yeah, we are also getting the same thing. What you said: contacts, opportunities, cases, open
Same page
activities.
is what we are getting.
Mhm. Yeah, that is what, man. Why it is happening?
So what exactly we should get there? Like the same what we have in the account section or account item. The
Yes,
same we
yes. So
should get.
like, so suppose it is, so we are, what we are doing is, you'll see like, basically we are changing the
Mm,
display, okay, how it is looking. So one way, how we change the, so this is the, how we change the tabs. The similar way, we should have access to customize my pages, okay? So we'll have to see, I think maybe some permission we may have to need. So suppose we want to change the pages. So what we, to which we say the pages is, so you see this is our one page, okay? This is our one page. Here also it's saying like help for this page. So how the contact page look is here. These are the recent contacts, okay? And what are the reports, okay, for this contact? What are the tools?
mm.
So this is all it's saying. What is this name? Dot com. Record type, validation tools. No, not this. I think this is different. Okay, so that was one thing. Then we have the social account. So this one we will see tomorrow. Okay, how why the customization is not working. Then we have social account and um, contacts. Okay, so like whenever you create a user, okay, so you will have to create a user. So let me tell you guys. Suppose you went on to service and into this you have a contacts. Okay. So once you come on to contacts, do you guys have can you see any contact for you? I think you will not have. So what you
No, we
have to
don't
do
have
is,
any contacts.
yeah, so you
Mm,
create, so I have
no
created this
contact.
contact. So you can create one. Just click on the new button and there will be this contact. Okay, so just press whatever name is Mr. and then first name, last name is a mandatory, then account name. So I choose Burlington Textiles and see if you're getting anything. Otherwise, just keep it, whatever is mandatory, and then just land onto this contacts page. And once it will be done, let me know. Once you're okay, I got what was wrong last time. I think I was looking differently. So once you will be able to create contact, no, let me know.
My social account and contacts. Create account is I'm not getting that option.
You're not getting create accounts. No, no, not create
I
accounts. So
Yeah, the
one
same what yeah we I mean we don't have that contact tab over here. So when we
Yeah.
customized on my tabs and we clicked on this contact page, it's showing more recent records. Click on
you can create no from new button.
okay, just hold on. I'm just sharing my screen.
All right.
Yeah, can you both see my screen?
Yes.
Um,
So
So
this
you
is
see, just a minute, Rahul, your application, what you have chosen is content. You see, top right.
yeah content. Yeah.
mhm.
So
Should be
switch to
sales or
sales.
contact.
Yeah,
Sales.
switch to sales.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
Now
there
you
it
have, you
is.
see contacts after accounts. So you don't have
Mm.
any recent contacts over here, right? So create
Yeah.
one.
So we create.
Interview name or
Yeah.
something like that. This is the same.
So what we should put here?
Go back again. Just it's a view. Not it is not a record. It's a view you are creating. Go back again on the contacts. Cancel it. Okay. In the recent contacts, you have a new button. You see
Yeah.
after create new
Mm-hmm.
link. Click on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you give your
Got it.
name,
Yes.
last name.
So we can create by ourselves. I mean, with our name only.
Yes, yes. You can create by your name, or if you want to create with different name, you that also you can choose. Like yeah, account number you can choose. Click on that search button.
Then no
First,
record of
yeah, first press something like BR, BUR. Keep BUR there in the account name.
Here only, na? I mean,
फ्रीज हो गया है मेरे को स्क्रीन तुम्हारा प्रतीक.
yeah.
okay. I mean, yeah, got it. So this page is not being shared with you guys. Now you can see.
Yeah.
अभी दिख रहा है
Yes,
screen?
yes, yes, yes. Screen
Yes.
is
Okay, so
visible.
the new tab is not, I mean, your. So what should we put your account name? Account name,
Account
any
number,
name?
that search button, when you are clicking, you are navigating to different.
Yeah, different tab.
Okay, so here you press B.
B. Okay.
Why it's not giving you suggestion? Click on that search button. Again, it will tell you.
It going with a lookup new tab page and account name Burlington
Okay,
Textiles Corporation of America, RC.
okay, okay.
The
Just a
search
minute.
results, what it's showing.
Okay, just a minute. Hmm. Okay, so when on you are getting the new what's a lookup. No, in that what you are
Yeah,
seeing, you are getting
nothing.
any account name.
Yeah, I mean below it's showing search results with Burlington Textiles Corporation of America. It's showing
Yeah, yeah. So,
search
so
result.
select that
Okay,
account.
okay. Yeah,
All right.
yes.
So that one account got it done. Or go down on the last and press save button.
Save and new save is both. I
Just
mean it's the
just
same.
just if you'll do save and new means, again you can create a, this record will get saved and you will again land to create a
Again,
new.
new page, a new account.
So just save it. Okay, so this is the user. Okay, can I take the
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
screen?
yeah, sure.
So here, when you will land onto the user, okay, you can just click on this. Okay, so you can just, so these many, so you may have multiple contracts. Okay, 10 to 15 contracts, and you want to know about this user. Okay, you want to know about this user, or you want to just reference this user with a particular like account. Okay, so they may have a Twitter account. So what you will have to do, you will have to sign into Twitter. Okay, so you'll have to sign up, I think, to the Twitter. So you guys have Twitter account? I have, but not with this. Okay, so
Even I
let's.
don't have.
So is it a mandatory with the tutor account? We need to go with the tutor and we need.
No, it is not mandatory, but suppose you have a multiple contacts, okay,
Yeah,
and those contacts, not only Twitter, you just want to add to a social media profile, okay.
yeah.
So like you see, you have a user, you are let me cancel it. Okay, so you have a user. So
Hmm.
let's say any user with name David. David is a user which you contact which you have in your list, and you want to attach his social
Tutor
media
account.
account, any social media account like YouTube or
Yeah.
Twitter. So that you can do from here. So it will be easy for you to just see how that guy, what is his social interaction and everything that you can do. So
So
to
this
that,
is, I mean, like Twitter and YouTube, it's a by default showing. So if both
yes.
is not, I mean, with that contact, so we can't go with any other social like
No, no, we can
Insta.
we can actually we can go with other social accounts also like Facebook and other. Earlier it used to come by default here, but
Yeah.
now it's not showing. We will see how what is there. So once I am landing onto this, you see it is asking me to October
It's clear.
30
I mean, you are creating your page, the page Twitter account,
date of the birth.
like
Yeah.
sign up.
So like suppose we give this one. Let's go to next. Okay, is saying cement. Okay, skill advance. So suppose I chose this one. Okay. Skill advance me 2. Okay, let's see. I am skipping the notifications and I'm choosing English. Next. I need to what technology only. Yeah. Oh, I have to choose more. Or let's say art and culture, music. Let's go next to see next. Next. Okay, so now I'm logged into Twitter. Let's go back again and see. So from here, sign into Twitter. Even will do. We'll have to authorize it. Okay, so it is authorized. So now, I mean, this account, this use, it's not attached. We haven't attached this Rajat Singh. So what we have done is we have given a permission. We have given Salesforce permission to access this user, like this Rajat Singh user, who is owner of this Salesforce account. We have given the permission to this user. So suppose this particular Rajat Singh, if we want to link, what we can do, we can just click on this, and you see it is searching all the accounts available in the Twitter. Okay, you got me what I'm saying?
This one is not clear to me.
Yeah, you see this is my Twitter account. Okay,
Mhm.
so actually it is suggesting all the Twitter accounts. Okay, so what we did is, let's suppose I just cancelled it. Okay, so when I was clicking onto this section earlier, what was happening, it was asking me to log in here. Okay,
Yeah, login. Yeah.
so I pressed on the login. Then I
Created an
pressed
account.
on the login, I gave Salesforce. So this is a Salesforce. This Salesforce, what it is doing is, it is taking the Twitter's permission to check what all users are there with this Rajat Singh name. Okay, so that as a user I can connect this profile with a
Mhm.
particular profile of the Twitter. Okay, like suppose like how Facebook works. So you see, I am able to connect now. Now see my profile came here, and you see I am getting all the Twitter feeds. I am able to see what's my activities on the Twitter. Being in Salesforce, I am able to see. Okay, just I'll have to click on this Twitter, and I will be able to see what is this guy doing. Okay, to whom, what all followers this guy have, and to whom all this guy is following. Okay, so this is clear, right, to you guys?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is how we can connect with a social media account. Okay, and if you are interested into other social media account, Facebook or this, let me know. I will just look why it is not coming. But for now, this was how you have to create. Likewise, you can just connect to YouTube. You see, I think I am already, because
Mhm.
I am already logged into YouTube account, right? So I think just showing this skill icon. Okay, so Rajat Singh it is showing. And what if I'll do? I don't know what is the use of this one. I think maybe later we can see. But you got the fair idea. Okay,
Mhm.
now if we will come back again our the page customization. So this is the page actually. This is not the page actually. Okay, so if this is the account, suppose, okay, like let's say this is my account. Okay, Burlington Textile Corporation of America. If we click on this, so if suppose we want to customize this page, right? So this is one of the page. What you will have to do is, you see, this is how you have to come into Rajat Singh, my settings. In the my setting, you will have to go to display and layout
Customize.
and customize my pages. In this, you will have to select accounts, customize this account page, and you will have to see like this is how it is looking, contacts and everything. Let's see
Mhm.
how it is looking. You see, this is the account details. This is by default, and then you see these are the contacts. Okay, these are the contacts. Then opportunities. Then opportunities. Okay. Then open activities, activity history, notes and attachment, and partners. So open activities, activity history, notes, and you see partner. And if we want to customize this account section, this particular page, okay, what you can do is, suppose you don't want this partner anymore. You don't want to see whenever you open a particular account, you don't want to see the partners, or you want to see the partners on the top. After account details, you want to see that. So what you can do is you can just make this on the top. After contacts, you have to just save it. And once you will refresh it, you see partners are on the top. You are able to follow me, Pradeep and Rahul?
Yeah.
I'm just seeing your screen. I'll just try to do so.
Okay, just try to do it. You just, so if you want to customize my pages section, it's simple. Like in, you may have a multiple accounts. Okay, when you in the sales application, when you come on to through the home, when you will come to account section, you can see these two accounts are there. And when you'll click on your account section, okay, this is the account, and this related to this account, these are the details. Okay, somehow you don't want the contact to be coming after partners. You want the contacts to be coming on the top. So
Yeah.
you have to you have to customize this. So what you are doing is you just have to go to my settings,
Customize.
display and layout, customize my pages,
Pages.
and in the accounts, click on this customize page. And in this, like, you want contacts on the top, right?
Contacts
So
on
you
the top. Yeah.
just make it up, just save it. And this is, once you'll refresh it, you will see contacts on the top. You see.
Yeah.
Contacts. Got it.
Got it.
And that was one way of doing it from here. And there is another way of doing, you can directly customize from here, you see. So once you'll click on this customize page, you see you are landing
Directly on that.
on the same. How you are able to customize my tabs, you will be able to customize the uh, pages also.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so we learned today, what we learned, like how we can customize this, what is the search, how search works, how we can customize these tabs, how we can customize the pages, how our social media accounts and contacts work. Okay, just check this, do by yourself. Okay, and if there will be any question, we will connect tomorrow and we will see. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be sharing you the slide after this call.
Sure. Thank you, Dhananjay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Raj.
Thanks.
Thank you.